in the oral reading fluency is prosody, which is equally important. So prosody is the expression. It's reading in appropriate phrases that convey meaning and so on. So a fluent reader is someone who reads what's on the page correctly at a natural pace and uses expression or phrasing. When you hear fluency, otherwise, like nonsense word fluency, they're just saying we're going to time how fast and how correct the student is. So, ORF assessment, oral reading fluency, kind of a misnomer. It's only addressing accuracy and automaticity. And prosody, just listen for it and jot some notes. There are rubrics we can use for it, but for now, just listen and see if is the student reading word by word or struggling through each word. Are they reading really fast? Or are they pausing and giving expression in how they're reading the passage? You know, that kind of thing. You can teach into that. Okay, so a couple of things here. I'm not going to read all this to you. I've just crossed through reading comprehension because we're not assessing that piece. Arguably, this assessment sort of addresses phonics and word attack skills and accurate and fluent reading of connected text. Really, it's not the most clear way to get at those phonics issues. Your core phonics is going to be more informative about that. A thing to know here is that for each benchmark assessment, we assess the student at their chronological grade level. If it's a fifth grader, we use the fifth grade passages. And that's so that we're actually benchmarking them. How are they doing on the fifth grade benchmark? We use 3 to sort of level out if there's a fluke where a student maybe really flubs it up or just scores way out of their norm. And what we calculate here is really hardly a calculation. It's the median. So you don't have to calculate an average. What you're doing for the median is you're literally looking at the 3 scores that you get, and you are going to take the middle value, not chronologically, but in terms of value. So if they get 120 words in a minute, 133, 126, the median, the middle of those in value is 126. Really simple. So you take the median number of words that they read correctly, median number of errors, and you just fill those in. Okay. So I think I'm going to pause here and make this separate. Yeah. So that's kind of the overview.